All right, people, over here just wrenching away. Excuse for the noise. I just wanted to just get focused here, just wrenching away. Something I want to point out real quick. If you guys ever do a installation like this with your RCMAX 55, this here, these you got 3 bolts here. These 2 here, in order to make it through here, you're gonna have to drill that hole out a little bit larger. Right? It's no big deal. Simple. Don't freak out. Just bore it out a little bit more, okay? And that's it. Just bore it out. No big deal. I did it one-handed, okay? So let's not cry about little things like that. I got 3 of these. One is mounted here already, and these 2 go here. Simple. All right, look at that. This is a 1364. All right. If you want the proper directions to mount this, just go to the RCMAX website. All right, I think you will see it there. I think this is how I'm doing this without any directions, just going from what I see and what I feel has to be done. So sorry if I'm doing this wrong, but this is how I'm doing mine. And that's it. So Santa Cafe. All right, let me bolt the sucker up, Loctite. All right, over here, wrenching away. A couple of fire calls, came back at it again. Can't sleep, so I'm here wrenching away. Got the side panel back on. I still don't know what I'm gonna do with the fuel system. I'm not sure yet. So I don't even know if I'm gonna use this or not. If I do, I'm just gonna put a brand new one. I'm not gonna risk it. This is the original. I've had this since that engine has been in here. And so I'm just gonna, if I do reuse this, I'm gonna put a fresh one. And for now, I don't know how, I think it's gonna be really close to my body here. And I'm guessing this goes here. And then I guess I'm gonna have to cut the body out for this. And we'll see. This sucker right here has been kind of snug. So this, I'm using this Bartolone handle here that goes on your MIP hex driver. And it worked good. It snapped right on the, it broke the seal. Pretty nice. Yeah, the sucker was on there tight. And that's it, just wrenching away, having a peaceful, calm night, finally. And that's it. The only bad part is we got work. We're super early in the morning. That's the only thing. I really should be in bed, but I'll probably relax more being here doing this than actually sleeping, to be honest with you. Yeah, over here. Over here, Loctiting away, wrenching away. Once again, this book is amazing. This book is amazing, man. Boom, you go to, I just went over here. Look, boom. I needed this screw. All right, I needed that screw there. QS 2230. I go over here. This is where I have my Primal RC hardware. And here it is, QS 2230. You get the screw that you need, and voila. And wrench away, bro, like a gentleman, kid. Huh? Love it. Instead of messing around, mismatching shit, you get the correct size. No more of that oversized shit, one bigger than the other, and off. No more. Cut it out. There's no need for that. I hope this Loctite is strong enough. That's it. You can also use the Bartolone handle to torque her down. Just don't overdo it, because you can high risk of snapping shit. Oh yeah. Oh, that sucker's on tight, boy. That sucker's on tight. And if you're gonna be torquing shit down like this, please don't do it on these tools here, because you will snap it. You'll snap it. Save them. All right, all your heavy shit that you gotta do, man, use some MIPs. But I gotta be honest with you, man, I put a lot of force on these 4mm. All right, they're 4 and 5mm tools are strong. Even the long ones, you can get shorties, but even the long ones, I'm not kidding, man. I put a lot of shit, a lot of torque on this. I'm not kidding, but yeah. So I think that's it for tonight. Let me just button this guy up here. All right, she's looking good. I did not follow any directions. I just mounted this how I see it. It was really no big deal. It was very easy, super easy. And that's it. So I reused my, I should have had put a new one, a nice one, but I'm reusing my clutch bell carrier here, the one that I modified 2 years ago. Modified this shit. I drilled it out, get some air in here to cool off. I had cut this in the past videos. All right, yes, I have other ones. I probably even could have used the Rovin one. I got a nice Rovin one with the big bearing. I could have used here as well. I should have got the RCMAX one. That's what I should have done. But I'm using this. I have it right off of my Finley, and that's it. I should have probably just kept that there. What are you gonna do? Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I can always do it later on. It's just a clutch bell carrier. It does have the oversized bearing, so I'm all good. Clutch bell is still good. I sanded it down. Hopefully it'll mate up good with that clutch. I think we should be fine. We should be set to go. So, all right, I got to do a kill switch still. All right, people. So I'm not going to be using the dynamite kill switch. I still have it on my Scott Finley. All right, and this one here I removed from my Gizmo 30.5 engine. All right, I removed it to use on here, but I'm gonna use the Killer B. It's more of a direct fit. I don't feel like cutting wires and soldering. There's no need. There's no need to do that now. So you can get a Killer B, and it's a very good system as well. And it's a direct fit, easy peasy, no. All right, so for those of you that have this Primal setup, this is probably going to be the same as the 40cc and 71s, I'm guessing. Yeah, so you're going to remove this side. All right, you're probably better off doing this before installing the engine. But if you did install the engine, it's only 3 bolts, piece of cake. You just remove that, remove those 2, and take it out. All right, so then when you go over here, you want to get this. You're gonna snip the zip tie so you can open these wires up. All right, so this wire here that's above the coil, that had the red wire to the switch. All right, this one here, this is what came out. So the red wire to the switch that comes with the RCMAX, that was connected there. And the black one was connected to this black one that goes to here. All right, that goes towards the engine, okay? So, and then just do the same, bro. You know what I'm saying? Just do the same. Fit this through here. All right, unplug this, put your button, reconnect these. Here, let me show you. I got to do this. I'm over here one-handed. Just look. I'm gonna remove these 2. I'm gonna put the switch through here so that it snaps in. All right. You see this here? This here? This will snap in to here, to this square hole, and it'll stay stuck there. Once you have that there nice and secure, you reconnect these. All right. You can reconnect these, and then just put the red to this top black one, and the black to the bottom black one. Okay? See, just like that. That's it. That's it. See that? Make sure this pops in. Now it's nice and secure. You gotta secure everything, all right? With these engines, you must lock tight. You must secure. Vibrations with this are nasty, all right? It's like a closest thing to Harley Davidson. Reconnect these. Look who came today for a visit. Huh? My man, Daryl, aka Heavy Kid. Any questions? And we're gonna have a little, I'm not a beer drinker. I like wine, I like brandy. But I'm gonna have a little beer here. A little, I call it cereal. A little zah, because it's hot out there, nice and we chilling here. But we're gonna have a little toast to the old man here. Today I'm old today. I'm older today. But what you want, Dad?
Whatever you drink.
I got some. Oh, what the fuck my wife has. I'm not a beer guy. You want a Heineken, or you want some Leaf Pile Ale or Lindenberg?
Heineken. Keep it simple.
I got Corona here too.
Oh, you got Corona?
Land Shark. What the hell is that? You got Corona? Is that?
Yeah.
That's a light though.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have that too then. We gotta have a little.
Trying to save the belly.
Yeah, right. Me too, bro. I got the saddlebags. These shits aren't even love handles anymore. Saddlebags.
Same spot.
Damn. What a. Look at this shit. First time being used. There, hold that there for me, bud. Let's see if this shit works. What? Oh man, it's not that good. Huzzah!
Yeah.
This knife is good for something now. Delicate.
Cheers. Happy birthday.
Huzzah. Thank you, buddy. All right, so here it is. You got the red to this black that goes to the coil. You got this black that goes to this black that goes to the engine here, to this coil here. All right, just fold it up and wire tie it back however way you like it. Make sure everything is out of the way. The throttle's here. All right, make sure everything is out the way. That's a choke.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, we're gonna modify that car, but afterwards.
How you got a choke on it for? Yeah. Motor do look pretty, man.
It does, don't it?
Yeah, man. Pretty expensive. It's fucking. It's a lot of machine work, yo. It's a lot of fucking machine work.
It's pretty all right.
Yeah.
Pretty expensive.
Yeah, pretty expensive.
I'm just taking these screws out. All right, so I Loctite these bolts. I Loctite them, right? But these are torqued down from RCMAX. Nice. They were torqued down, but no Loctite. I mean, if you torque down the screws, most likely you won't need Loctite, but I'm gonna Loctite just in case, man.
I'm gonna like to vibrate.
When you have more than one car and you're out there in the track, and if you're filming, forget about filming. Let's just say you got more than one car there. You're gonna be a busy man at the racetrack, bro. You're not gonna have time for a screw or two that comes loose on you. Waste time. You know, if this shit gets loose on you, you go to pull, you can damage your shit, or you can lose the pull start. You know, you don't have time for that. So since you're here, start hitting things up. You know, start going over everything. This being that way will prevent you headaches later on, man. You know. Arnold uses red Loctite on that.
Yeah, I use red Loctite too, yeah. I don't use blue.
This is like still new. So the blue should still hold a bit. Man, this thing is sweet. Alright, so I gotta take this guy out. Take the dynamite shit out. And let's throw the Killer Bee in there.
That's it.
Up against this plate off the engine as best as I could. And that's it. Just hook up the rest of the kit, I put it on channel 3. I ran the wire through here. This is where my dynamite light was at. Once the silicone dries up, I'm gonna put some more of this. All right, because this electrical tape shit was going through the hole. The next time I take this apart, I'm gonna have a mess in here. But so I put silicone there. Once it dries up, I'll put some of this on top of that. And that's it. I pasted this on here with that shoe goo. I didn't have any double-sided tape. I do have double-sided tape, but I just can't find it. It's faster to put the damn shoe goo. So that's it. Easy. Connect your kill switch. Most likely I'm going to disconnect this tomorrow. I'm going to possibly fire this up for the first time tomorrow. I wish it could be today on my birthday, but there's no time. I have to rush to a fire department meeting. I gotta go to the meeting. And that's it. Easy kill switch install here. Killer bee. I gotta still do my fuel system. I don't know where it's gonna go yet. All right. Oh shit, there's a red light in here, bro. Yo, with the clear silicone, you can see it.
Oh, you
Damn.
You lighting up?
Oh, that's badass. All right, so I'm not gonna cover that with electrical, black electrical tape, liquid tape. Now keep it. Look, you can see the red light. That's crazy.
It's gonna turn green when you.
Yeah, when the remote goes on. All right, that's it. So I have my setting on my remote should still be the same as before, and that's it. Nice.